In order to increase your mobility and flexibility, dynamic movements are a must before your stretches. Hey y'all, this is Becca here at Kalkstein Chiropractic, here to talk to you today about mobility and flexibility and why you should incorporate that in everyday life. Number one, mobility. Why is mobility important, you might ask? Because we all have to move. In order to reach those health and fitness goals, movement is a must. Let's warm up to warming up with dynamic movements. In order to increase your mobility and flexibility, dynamic movements are a must before your stretches.
Hey, my name is Matt. I work at the clinic here. I'll be taking you through some exercises for mobility that you can do at home.
Everyone, that improving your mobility and flexibility is about the journey, not the destination. It takes time and practice.
If you like this type of content, like this video. Thanks for watching.
Peace.